Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing a clip that clearly shows the object you want to track. Select the clip, open the inspector, and add an object tracker. Choose a high contrast point or small region as the tracking target. Once done, set the tracker's search area to cover likely motion and adjust the tracking size so the object is fully inside. Make sure playback is real-time by using proxy or better performance settings so the initial analysis completes without dropped frames. You now run the analysis. Choose Analyze forward or backward and watch the overlay as the tracker follows the object. If it jumps, pause and shrink the search area or recenter the target on a reliable feature. This improves accuracy. For complex moves or occlusions, add a second tracker or apply a mask to exclude confusing background elements. Make sure to switch interpolation types if the motion is fast or shaky, because different modes handle rotation, scale, and skew differently. Once the track is solid, attach your effect, title, or image to the tracked point and verify position, scale, and rotation across the whole clip. If movement looks jittery, apply smoothing or soften keyframes and add manual keyframes where the tracker missed brief occlusions. Make a short export of a test section to confirm real-world results. If the tracker drifts, increase contrast around the target, shrink the search area, or replace the bad segment with manual keyframes as a reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.